Incredible. Let's take you out to Mount Hood right now from our Wells Fargo SkyCam because this is a really pretty shot and it's going to get prettier in about 20 minutes. And the reason for, look at that, just Mount Hood just framed beautifully by the forested hills of the Cascades and then Mount Tabor and Mount Scott in the foreground. And the reason it's going to get prettier is because the moon is going to rise near Mount Hood at about 6:38 and it's a full moon and it's the harvest moon. Now you may be thinking, now wait a minute. Harvest moon usually comes in September. Well, the harvest moon is the full moon that is closest to the autumnal equinox, or the first day of fall, which was on September 22nd. So this full moon is happening about 2 days closer than the full moon we had in early September, so that makes this full moon the harvest moon. Again, rises about 6:38. 67 degrees right now. Winds are light, humidity is low. Just classically awesome day. And look at this shot. There's the Palmer snowfield. Here's that's Illumination Rock over there. This, of course, is the Hogsback. And just a great look at Mount Hood, pardon me. And they're going to get some skiing going again on the Palmer snowfield this weekend. We mentioned that earlier in one of our previous newscasts, but Timberline is going to get the lift running if you want to do some early season, late season skiing up on the Palmer. It'll be happening this weekend. 52 at Timberline right now. It was chilly this morning, down to 36 at Hillsboro and Scappoose, 38 in Troutdale. And around the state, how about 22 for the low in Baker City, 23 in Burns, and even on the coast, we had some mid-30s. So it was a cold start, but a really beautiful finish, and why not? Now, did you notice the clouds that moved over today? They were unusual in that they were moving from northeast to southwest. Normally, when we get northeasterly flow, it is completely cloud-free, like yesterday and like we're going to right now, but we had this one little cloud streak move on over, and that was it. Next thing to move over is more high pressure and more great weather. Now, finally, there'll be a system that breaks through from the northwest. That happens Friday night and Saturday, and you can see on Futurecast how that goes down. The rain begins to roll in, but not until early on Saturday morning. It'll hit the Puget Sound Friday night. I think we get it on Saturday morning, then more scattered showers during the day on Saturday, but it's not very impressive. If we get 1/10 of an inch of rain in Portland, I'll be impressed by that because it just doesn't look that healthy as far as rainfall goes, maybe 1/4 of an inch or so out in Hood River. Around the country today, thunderstorms across Missouri and Arkansas, a lot of rain in Florida, but the tropics remain really active. First of all, this is Tropical Storm Ramon off the coast of Mexico. That should move harmlessly to the west. Area of disturbed weather near Florida causing issues with heavy rain, but this is what we're really watching. Nothing yet. It's a tropical depression, but this is likely going to become a hurricane and then move north into the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll keep our eyes on that. If it does become a tropical storm or hurricane, it will be named Nate. 71, the high temperature in Portland today. It was 74 in Aurora, 74 in McMinnville as well. It is 67 right now, and the freezing level at 10,100 feet. Okay, tonight we dropped to 45 here in town, but again, in the valley, a lot of folks will see the upper 30s on the thermometer in the morning. Tomorrow, 75, the warmest day of the stretch. Still in the 70s on Friday, and then the showers arrive Saturday, but a new dry streak begins on Sunday. Tracy, Joe, back to you.